Okay, so in this 159 serial number we have you have got hiccups. This is already you got this question answer, means the sentences. This meaning you have got hiccups. This meaning it is here. Actually, hiccup means what? What is a hiccup? These things, the meaning you should know. This is hiccup means sing kau bengke ti muluk money muluk money money. Awno no sing hiccup. Okay. Okay, you got a hiccup. Mane you have got hiccup. That means obono hono sing or neng muluk widong of the man. Okay. And after that 116 pick it up and throw it in the dustbin. Of the simple এবং daily use খাই যাবো মানে যে কোনো কাগজপত্র নিনি স্কুলে অপ্লাই থাকায় pick up it and throw in the dustbin. Amting here they say gabra no muso kanya heaven box of rocks haimi abono. Some of students they cannot say this simple sentence also. Okay, so every day you practice these things and you have to get by heart, then it will be free for speaking. Okay. Let him sleep, let him work. Last few days before I only explained about the let. What is let? Let permission. Let him work, let him do, let him finish. Okay, and after then 168 hold my fingers. Hold my finger. A simple thing. Hold not only finger, others your materials also, other things also. Sometimes you can use these things. This sentence means hold the finger, hold the hand, hold my use. Or just nadi. Okay, and after then 171. 170 do you like it? Do you like it? That is what? Do you like it? Mane no nung ki abo pasund khakai. Inka o jaga actually or je tamon no khejotna pai nangai but je green one henkai abo important thing mane. After then 173 let's have a look. Let's have a look henkai mane just let's have a look ni mane jagai nojor rudi ni mane yango nahati ba yango nojor rudi. Okay. Never mind. About last time bang sekarang never mind. Never mind means mana okay. Jemun seng Hindi baik yang koi baat ni mani. Atau kokri. Ini hiya juga seng. Jekun semua ikono. Awal no never mind. Atau last time I said to you already. Mana never mind. I found it my pen. Suppose whenever you are searching something. Okay, and with you other person also searching, but when you found it that things, then you will say never mind, I found it. Up to him and after then how disgusting 179 serial number nadi. How disgusting, that is what manasin kok bangke usung jawab kono जेकुन कैसे साम खाएंगे इस सी हमने आवा नहीं साया दा अब ना how disgusting. Understand? I'm pointing 182 ngkai what's in it means what? What's in it? Mana ni kata kun कैसे box open तमन मनो steel box apa in your